Today's dish is Mongolian beef in the slow cooker. So to start with, I've got some flank steak, but you can also use stewing steak. I've put it in a bag with half a cup of corn flour and shaked it up so it coats on it. And in my slow cooker, I've got light soya sauce, I've got garlic, chili flakes, sesame oil, brown sugar and ginger. Now this is lazy ginger, but I'm just going to show you a little tip. If you can't open the lid, like I can't, if you get something heavy like the edge of a knife, give it a whack all the way around. There you go. Opens easily. A little tip. And put some garlic in. Fresh is best, but I don't always have fresh. Give that a mix up. And I put my beef in. This will help thicken the sauce as well. Give it a stir. And I'm going to finish it off with some grated carrot. And this will be left about 4 hours, 5 hours. And later on, before it's cooked, I'll put in some spring onion. So we'll leave that there, let it cook. Mongolian beef. So my Mongolian beef has been in my slow cooker between 4 and 5 hours. Just before it's finished, I've had a few spring onions in it, and now I'm going to serve it up with boiled rice. Bit of a slop. Don't forget, any leftovers, you freeze it. I'm going to go and sit down and eat this, and I'm going to be happy.